Hi guys, welcome back to another mind blowing video. So in this video, I'm just gonna be using my resistance and distribution workout. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Breathe in for 10 minutes. Let's go. Jog, 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 jog. You must be fit, no matter what. Which one should we do again? I use this chair to do the Bulgarian split. Switch it out again. Oh my god. Six, nine, 10. Nice for the back. Oh my god. Guys, I think we've come to the close of this video. Make sure you work out and stay fit, do the right meals, and stay healthy. Make your heart warm. Yeah, every day. Thanks for watching. See you in another video.